In this video, I'm hosting a crayon carving giveaway and you are invited. Hello everyone, Kid Slam here and welcome back to another video here on my channel. In my previous video, I shared my crayon carving collection with you guys. I spoke a little bit about the tools that I use, such as the acrylic paint, this brush, and X-Acto knife. I shared how I display them in these cute little glass tubes, perfect for shipping around the world, as you can see here. I also shared where you could pick these up on Amazon, so I'll link that video just in the cards up above if you want to go find that information. But in this video, we're specifically talking about the giveaway that I'm hosting, and we're going to talk about that right now. Okay, so before I share the details to join the giveaway, I'm just going to walk you through Kid Slam Studios and show some of the things that I've been working on. Some of you may know that YouTube has recently changed some of the requirements to be part of their partner program. They require that you have 4,000 watch time hours in a 12-month period, plus 1,000 subscribers as well. So I have the 1,000 subscribers. I do not quite have the 4,000 hours. In fact, in the last 12 months, I had about 2,000 hours. So I've got a little bit of work to do. To help compensate for that, because I won't be making any income at all from YouTube, going forward, I will be spending a little bit more time working on my Etsy page. And to be honest, guys, I probably will post another video sort of just sharing my thoughts on the new YouTube partner program and all of those things. But as you can see here, this wall is where I've been photographing all of my Etsy work, all of the thumbnails and posts for Etsy with my various different print sizes. So that's an 11 by 17 there of King Boo. That is an inverted drawing. So just trying to create a brand that sort of similarly represents the brand that I've been working on over the last few months here in basically 2018. Now I also have the Crayon Carvings over here because they too are on Etsy. In fact, my Etsy page is basically said and done. There's a few more things I'll add, like these sticker sets. We got some M&M mosaics, some inverted drawings, some Oreo cookies, those types of things. I also have a few other things going on, like I've been working on a store. This I will take to different art conventions and artist alleyways. This is not complete, not at all. And so that I just wanted to share with you guys, sort of just to give you a little bit more context as to what I've been up to and probably where my channel will go a little bit. Just a little bit of an emphasis on Etsy and sort of pushing a little bit more of my actual art. If I'm gonna make it, I should be able to sell it. Don't you think? Okay, so I'm gonna go over to the computer to show you guys the Etsy page that I've been working on, and then I'll explain the rules for the giveaway. Okay, so here we are on Kid Slam's Art. This is my storefront on Etsy. The link and everything will be in the description box below, so no problems there for you guys. We got a variety of different categories. If you've been following my content, you'll recognize some of these categories, such as the Crayon Carvings, the M&M mosaics, some Oreo cookie carvings, and all of those fun goodies for you guys. Now the Crayon Carvings, these are for sale. If you want to actually buy a crayon carving and support the channel, you can do so. Pick up a gift for a loved one, something like this, you see? And these are for sale. I will continue to add more of these as we go through the year, as you might imagine. You can also pick up prints of these. I've got a variety of different things on the storefront. We've got the inverted drawing collection. These are all prints. If you click on King Boo here, you can see they come in 4 sizes, 4 by 6, 5 by 7, 8.5 by 11, or 11 by 17. Okay, so going back here, there's more options. For example, we've got the M&M mosaics, which have been quite popular. And we've got these Oreo cookie carvings. We got a Star Wars theme on the go, plus we got Rubik's Cube and Planet Earth. There's some originals that you guys can pick up, and of course, some framed prints. Oh yes, and this as well. I can create custom crayons for you guys. So if there's a character that you'd like to have or give to someone, but you don't see it on this particular storefront, just fire me a message and I can create custom crayons, no problems. Even spelling out people's names. These are all options for you guys. And one last thing, just thank you, huge thanks to anyone who supported the store already. That means so much to me. Joshua, big shout out to you. Now I explain the rules for the giveaway. All you got to do, guys, is leave a comment down below on this particular video. Now, of course, it is absolutely appreciated if someone is willing to share this video. That means so much to me. It allows the channel to grow, spread the content. Please share the love. Consider sharing this video. That would mean so much to me. Now, I just want to share with you guys the last thing here, as I insert you here above, is that one of the reasons why I'm doing this giveaway is not only to share the love and thank you guys for all the support, but also I just want to make double sure, triple sure, quadruple sure that as I ship off one of these to you guys can choose any of these crayons, by the way. You could choose the Pokeball, the Angry Birds characters, any of these Nintendo characters. These are all up for grabs, okay? Now, like I was saying, I just want to double check that as I ship this off to you guys, that it is completely safe in this container, in this little glass tube of ours. Wrap it up, ship it off. You guys receive it. You send me a photograph saying that, hey, yes, I received the crayon carving. Thank you, KitSlam. That way I know for 100% sure that shipping these crayons across the world is safe, and that's what's happening here today. We're having an experiment. I'm sharing the love, and hopefully you guys will continue to do the same. I believe that covers most of it. All you gotta do is leave a comment down below. Tell me which of these crayon carvings that you are most interested in. So again, we have the Pokeball, Red Angry Birds, Chuck Angry Birds, Leonard Angry Pig. We have Mushroom, we got Toad, we've got King Boo, and in our little tube here we got Donkey Kong. And so those are your options. Leave it in the comments down below. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks. So on March 4th, I will post another video and I will share the giveaway results. I'll move over to the computer again and we'll go to a random comment generator and we'll find a winner. And then we'll ship this their way and we'll thank them for joining the giveaway. Guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. My name is KitSlam. If you have questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll see you in my next video.